Hi, during this quick tutorial, I'm going to demonstrate how to create name labels. During testing, we use name labels in order to identify students and better seat them for the seating chart. So I'm going to use Microsoft Word, and then we're going to click on Mailings. Once I click on Mailings, I am going to select Labels, and this will better identify the type of label and the size that I would like to use. So right now it is set for Avery US letter 5351, which is standard. So I'm going to keep this here. Then we're going to click on Start Mail Merge. I will then select Labels. 5351 mailing labels are listed. So I'm going to select OK. Then I'm going to select the recipients I want to add. You can either type a new list or use an existing list. By this time, you should have already created a roster and saved it as an Excel file. That way you can use an existing list to put in the names for the labels automatically. So I'm going to click Use an Existing List. Then I will select OK. Now this just gives a preview. What I would do next is insert each merge field. So the first one I'm going to select is the last name. And then I want to put a comma and a space and then insert the first name. And because I want the next section, which is the ID number, to be under this, I'm going to hit enter and then add ID number. And then I'm going to hit enter again and add the grade. And this is the format that I want each label to look like. Now I'm going to select Update Labels. So it's ready. And then I'm going to hit where it says Finish and Merge. But I would like for this to be a document that I can edit and make changes to and adjust if I need to. So I'm going to select Edit Individual Documents. Select all the records. And here we go. As you can see, I have just made a small template of what it would look like with last name, first name. I just plugged in a number for ID number, and then I just added the grade level to be 10. For your labels, it would probably have the student's last name, first name, their unique identifier number, which is their student ID number, and then their grade level. Once this is completed, you may insert your labels into the bypass tray of your printer, select print, and it will automatically print through that tray. And you're all set. Visit this tutorial again. Bye bye now.